second time here, and I feel so welcomed and so loved and cared for. I think everyone is just super attentive to each other's needs, and I really love that. So the International Planned Parenthood Federation, it's a global provider of sexual and reproductive health and rights, and we have over 120 service providers across the world, and Family Planning is one of those organizations. So being here today, we're representing IPPF to support the launch of Crazy Kumi, Grow With Me, which is a CSC program. And so what we do is support efforts like this, as well as interregional collaboration. So we have Family Planning working with our member association in Rutgers in the Netherlands. And so it's really important to see those kind of collaborations happen to advance CSC. Like right now we're in a digital age, and I always tell folks that we need to ensure that we are where young people are at, and we meet them where they're at, and ensure that we deliver programs that they can see themselves in and that is accessible to them. And right now we see a rise in gender-based violence both on and offline, and this program resides in an offline and online space, which really helps to tackle those issues. So it's super, super important. So we're seeing a rise in anti-rights and anti-gender movements that are, really taking away the rights of young people when it comes to right of access to information, to sexual and reproductive health services. And this is something that's happening across the globe. So programs like these really help to plug those gaps and to ensure that we, reaffirm the rights of young people and uphold those rights. And I think what is happening is it's really awful, especially the rollback of funding. But I think when we are able to work together, we're able to advance work like this, which is really important. It's definitely teamwork, because what you learn in school and in community-based programs, it has to be reinforced at home, which is why it's critical to make sure that we engage parents and guardians, but also community leaders at different levels and different institutions. So even in religious bodies as well, it's really important for us to work together, because at the end of the day, we're trying to secure the futures of young people, and we can only do that if we work together, because then if we're working in our own silos, it becomes really difficult. It's a pull and tug, so we have to work together. When young people are empowered, they make really good decisions, and we have to trust young people, and we have to work with them to really listen to what they need, because they know what they need. They tell us every day. So we have to trust them and work together across all sectors.